Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add music from library on RedNote. Really easy and simple, guys. So first things first, open up your RedNote app, then here at the bottom click on the plus icon to basically make a post. Let's use a video, okay? I'm going to use this video right here. Go ahead and press next. Let me pause the video. It's just a tutorial I was doing myself. So what you're going to do here at the top is you want to click on the music icon. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music from library on RedNote. So I'm going to turn that all the way down for music and original volume. Music, I'll leave it on. For now, turn off original volume. Click on music right here. Let me turn that one off. You just want to come here, click on library. And then right here, you will see a bunch of different options. You'll see discover, you'll see my collection, and you'll see local music. Local music is where you import from a library. So I have this no copyright music right here. I'm going to import this. There you go, guys. That is how you add music from library on RedNote.